Dreams, by their very nature, are meant to be difficult, seemingly impossible, in fact. And sometimes when you make the big mistake of telling others about your dream, what they do is that they laugh in your face. Don't take that though as a knock against you. You know, for them, the impossibility of your dream is glaringly obvious, and quite frankly, they don't see how they could possibly accomplish something like that. And so their only response is to laugh at you. The fact is that if people aren't laughing at your dreams, they're not big enough. So make sure you dream big and go after those dreams. And don't allow the naysayers, the doubters to detract you or discourage you from going after your dreams. As Junior in Cool Running say, go get your palace.